In today's video, I will walk you through how to use CoinMarketCap Historical Data Tool. To access historical data on CoinMarketCap, start by going to the CoinMarketCap homepage. Once the homepage loads, you will see the main cryptocurrency list. This page displays different assets along with their current price, 24-hour change, market cap, and volume. To find a specific cryptocurrency, use the search bar at the top of the page. Enter the name or ticker symbol of the coin or token you want to analyze. You can also scroll through the list and select the asset directly. Click on the cryptocurrency to open its dedicated page. On the asset page, you will see an overview section with the live price chart, key statistics, and additional information. To access historical data, look on the left side of the page and scroll until you find the historical data option. Select historical data to open the historical information section. Depending on the page layout, the historical data option may also appear as a tab near the chart. Select the same option to continue. The historical data page displays a table with daily records for the selected cryptocurrency. The table includes information such as date, open price, high price, low price, closing price, trading volume, and market cap. Use the historical data table to review past records for the cryptocurrency. You can adjust the date range to select the period you want to view. Choose the required time period before exporting the data or reviewing the records. You can also adjust the data settings when available to match the information you need. To download the historical data, use the export option. Select the date range first, then click the export or download button to save the file. The downloaded CSV file can be opened in a spreadsheet tool for further review. You can use the exported data to create filters, pivot tables, custom charts, or combine it with other datasets. For accessing similar information through the CoinMarketCap API, obtain an API key and use the available historical endpoints to retrieve historical data. Follow the API documentation when using these options. Using the historical data tool, you can navigate to any cryptocurrency, view past data records, and export information for further analysis. Thank you for watching.